Ridhima, beta, how are you? Ridhima?
So I'm fine. How are you?
Also fine, beta. I think 10 or 15 days ago, you went for a wedding. Matlab, you were attending a wedding 10 days ago,
Yes,
nearly.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, whose marriage was it?
So my brothers, cousin brother.
Cousin brothers. Okay. So, is he 12 years of age or what? 13?
No, sir. I don't know his age.
नहीं मैं बस ऐसे I was just joking. Must be more than at least 20, 25 nearly. Then only he got married. मैं मजाक कर रहा था बेटा. Okay.
So how do you know that I went to a marriage?
अरे I know everything about everyone. No, you.
Sir,
I
it's
think
not in my brother's birthday.
sorry.
Sir, if you know everything, like literally everything, then you should know when is my brother's birthday.
When is your brother's birthday? Okay.
Yes, sir.
ये तो मुझे कर्रा फंसा दिया तुमने. Is it today?
No, sir. Sir, after 4 days.
After 2 days.
The 26th December.
26th of December. It is a Boxing Day. Boxing Day पे पैदा हुआ तुम्हारा भाई. लड़ाई करता होगा फिर तो
Yes.
तुमसे बॉक्सिंग होती होगी. हाँ, Angel, you have a fight with your brother or not?
Sir, usually like most of the time we fight.
Okay. Sometimes you behave as brother and sister. Most
Sir,
of the
but pata hai, sir, no, sir, when we like start coming together, I'm like, what is happening? How is this possible even? We are coming together nicely.
हाँ, same is the case. Same was the case with my sister. Now तो अब ऐसा नहीं होता है. So earlier I was
Sir, my sister also.
like this only. We were born enemies, and sometimes we very rarely we used to behave like siblings. Most of the times we were born enemies.
Sir, like Hela and Thor. Sir, Hela and Thor.
हाँ वही. I'm the Thor and she's the Hela. Okay. Sorry, Ridhima. बेटा मैं बता देता हूँ मुझे कहाँ से पता चला. I think you were absent for I think 1 week. You were not attending the classes, so it was just a guess. My guess is right. I think yes, it is. है ना?
Yes, sir.
चला गया. You were not there ना in the classes, so मैं समझ गया था. Ridhima has gone to attend some class. Sorry, some wedding. That is why she's not there in the classes. Because you always attend the classes. Many of you in this class, many students regularly attend the classes. So you are one of them. थोड़ा I think इसको ठंड लगी है मेरे मार्कर को या पता नहीं किसी इंक को जाने क्या हुआ है. It is not erasing properly. Okay, all of you. So we have already done till question number 5. I want you all to do question number 6 right now. अरे यार ये मैं पहले ही बोल देता. Question 6 करिए. Everyone on your own. Question
done.
7 you do in homework.
Sir, done question 6 and
Very good.
Sir, done question number 6 and 7.
Very good.
The answer is 23 for question number 6 and 41.5 years
I
for
will.
question number 7.
अरे फहाम बेटा कैसे हो? How are you? मोहम्मद फहाम. बेटा आवाज नहीं आई तुम्हारी. फहाम. Sorry, your voice is not coming.
ठीक है ठीक है तो ठीक है
ठीक हो बढ़िया चलो अच्छी बात है. And it is nice to see you in the class. Very good. Okay, so I'm giving you only 1 more minute to do question number 6 if you have not already done it. And question 7 you can do in homework. Then we will start with question number 8. मैं question 8 की तैयारी करता हूँ यहाँ पर. Till then you all complete question number 7. Sorry, 6. Exercise 21B. Question number 8. Board is clearly visible or not?
yes, sir, visible. So, but not clearly.
Why? Is it blur or what?
Sir, little blur.
no sir it is clear
Yes, please.
yes sir
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Sorry for being so late.
So who is this? Is it Lakshanya?
Yes, sir.
Weight, and then the second thing is number of boys. Number of boys, Fi. Okay. (45, 46, 48, 50, 45, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 55. Okay. Frequencies 8, 5, 6, 9, 7. 9, 7, 4, 2, 4. These are the frequencies. Okay, all of you. So have you all done question 6? Are you all ready
Yes,
for
sir.
question number 8? Everyone ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
So now we have to find the median of this tabulation form में दिया हुआ है, tabulated form में दिया हुआ है data. The data is in tabulated form. You have to find the median of tabulated data. थोड़ा सा सेम ही है लगभग, थोड़ा सा बहुत हल्का सा डिफरेंस है. 1 or 2 more steps यहाँ पे ज्यादा है बस. Okay. Ready? I want you all to concentrate here on the board because this is the first time we are doing this type of question. So everyone please pay attention. Even if you have not done the previous questions, please look at the board, everyone. So here what we have to do, we don't have to find Fi xi. हम mean नहीं निकाल रहे हैं. Mean, when we find mean, we find Fi xi. So we are not finding mean, we are finding median. In case of median, we find cumulative frequency. What is this cumulative frequency? इसके spelling में यहाँ पे लिखा हूँ. CUMULATIVE, cumulative frequency. ठीक है?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please speak loudly.
अच्छा. We are finding median, and to find median we make another column here which is cumulative frequency, which is the column for cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency कैसे find करते हैं? I will tell you. Just a minute. Is it clear? My voice is clear now? फिर से वही वाली प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सेटिंग कहाँ से खुलती है यार यहाँ पर? So it is full. The mic volume is full. Okay, full है. Okay. So now we will make a column for cumulative frequencies. Now how to find cumulative frequencies? Just देखिए यहाँ पर बहुत easy काम है ये भी. You will copy down the first frequency. इसमें जब when you are finding the cumulative frequency, आपको उसमें xi का कुछ भी नहीं करना है. This column is of no use when you are finding cumulative frequencies. Okay? इसका कोई use नहीं है. सिर्फ इसी से cumulative frequency आपको find करनी है with the help of frequencies. You will find cumulative frequencies. Okay. तो 8 को मैं यहाँ पर as it is copy कर दूंगा. Whatever the first frequency is, you will copy as it is in the first spot. Okay. उसके बाद क्या करना है? Diagonal add करके sum लिखना है. Now 8 plus 5, the sum is 13. यहाँ पे find लिख देंगे. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा था? 8 diagonally add करेंगे. 8 plus 5, 13. यहाँ पे sum लिख देंगे. Again the same step. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 39 plus 2, 41. किसी को कोई डाउट है क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसीज में मुझे बता दीजिए. Is it
No,
clear?
sir.
Is it
No,
clear
sir.
to
No,
be
sir.
clear? Very good. So now,
Yes, sir.
okay, whatever is the last value of cumulative frequency, that is also your sum of all the frequencies. वही आएगा आपका 41. You can check it. If you add all the frequencies, the sum will be 41. So this is also known as capital N. मैंने आपको sigma fi नोट कराया था. I hope you all remember. Sigma fi is also known as capital N. Same चीज होती है. That is sigma fi is nothing but just sum of all the frequencies. That means total number of observations जो आते हैं, that is known as sigma fi. Capital N भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Okay. So both are the same thing. Capital N लिख दिया मैंने यहाँ पे. Okay. Any problem? No problem. Anyone?
No, sir.
No
No?
problem, sir.
Okay. So next step क्या है? Now the step is pretty similar. जो हमने पहले किया हुआ उससे काफी similar है. So you can see that n is 41, which is even or odd. Odd number.
Odd.
Odd number.
Sir, odd.
The first. Do we use the first method or do we use the second method?
Sir,
First.
first method.
We
The
use
first. Sir,
First
first
method.
method.
1/2.
First case, median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. N plus 1 upon 2th observation. So that means 41 plus 1 upon 2th observation. Is it clear? जो मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, ये visible हो रहा है आपको?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
42.2. That
Yes,
means 21st observation की जो value है, वो मुझे लिखनी है. अब मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा 21st observation क्या है? यहाँ तक पहले नोट कर लीजिए, फिर मैं बोलना शुरू करूँगा. पहले you all note down till here.
Done.
Sir, note it down. Sir, note it down till here.
Very good.
Noted.
बच्चे जो कर रहे हैं. हाँ जी, बोलना शुरू करूँ मैं? Are you all ready? आगे बताऊं?
No, sir, please wait for a minute.
Okay, 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 okay. Just tell me whenever you are ready. Everyone. The period is started at 10:40. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So it
sir.
will get over at 11:20. आधा पीरियड खत्म भी हो गया, पता ही नहीं चला. मैंने एक रिक्वेस्ट और डाल दी,
सर
पता
इस समय हमारी सेकंड लास्ट क्लास चल रही होती अगर 8 बजे का होता.
ओके. मैंने एक एप्लीकेशन ऑलरेडी रिक्वेस्ट डाल दी है मैनेजमेंट को. पता नहीं आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे या खराब लगे, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर मेरी रिक्वेस्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. I have just requested the management that I want to be the class teacher of the same class again. 7C.
सर हमें तो बहुत बढ़िया लगेगा.
सर
आप
मजा आ
इनसे
जाएगा.
पाकर
I want to be
सर
the
मजा आ जाएगा अगले साल भी.
यस सर, यस सर. सर बस कोरोना ना हो.
हमें तो
Yes,
सर
sir.
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा सर.
अच्छा.
सर तब मजा आएगा ना.
सर रेडी.
हाँ जी, ready.
यस सर रेडी.
सर when will you show our UT result?
UT result तो बेटा मुझे पता नहीं कि स्कूल वाले क्यों, they have not given me any information. Okay, I will request them personally to give you the UT results. I don't know, अभी तक तो दे देना चाहिए था. I will talk to the management again. Okay. So 21st observation आप देखिए कैसे फाइंड करना है. बहुत सिंपल काम है ये भी. You see the अभी तक we have not used cumulative frequency. अभी तक मैंने cumulative frequency का कोई यूज करा, जस्ट मैंने ये कॉलम बनाया है. अभी तक कोई यूज नहीं करा इसका. अभी तक कोई यूज करा है मैंने, बताइए. cumulative frequency नहीं है करा ना.
नो
बहुत छोटा सा रोल है cumulative frequency का. क्या रोल है आप देखिए क्या है. This is 21st observation है ना. तो you see the cumulative frequencies. 21 से just बड़ा नंबर ढूंढेंगे. What is the number? Just greater than
28.
28.
28.
इसमें आपको 21 से बड़ा नंबर 28 देखना है, जस्ट बड़ा. 35 पे नहीं जाएंगे. 35 is also greater than 21, but 21 से जो भी whatever the first number that is greater than 21 वो हम उसको ढूंढेंगे. That is 28. Okay. So 28 को देख लिया. Now you see the observation of 28. What is the observation in front of 28? Which is 50. तो आंसर मिल गया आपको 50. बस ये काम करना है. This is the median. Clear or not? 21 से just बड़े observation.
यस सर.
Yes, sir. Very easy.
और उसके
Sir,
सामने
सर
वाले
वेरी इजी एंड क्लियर.
observation को cumulative frequency में 21 से just बड़ा नंबर ढूंढ लेंगे. उसके सामने वाले observation को पकड़ के यहाँ पर फेंक देंगे. Median is equal to 50. Question 9 आप लोग अभी करेंगे, फटाफट करके दिखाइए. I am giving you 4 minutes to do question number 9. 4 मिनट दे रहा हूँ मैं क्वेश्चन 9 करने को.
Sir, answer is 15.
Answer
Yes,
is
sir. Median is 15.
So for question number 9, I am getting 22.
okay. Question 9. Let me tell you the answer. 5 plus 9 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 6, 37. So the sum of capital N, the sum of all the frequencies. Capital N आपका 37 आएगा. 37 plus 1 is 38. 38 upon 2 is 19. So you will have to find the number just greater than 19. In
Sir, it is
the
21.
21
Sir,
आएगा.
21 के सामने वाला 15 है.
20.
Observation in front of 21 is 15. So 15 will be the
15.
answer.
Sir, 15 answer.
Yes, 15 is the correct answer. Orally निकाल दिया यार मैंने तो. ठीक है, मतलब ठीक ठाक है मेरी मैथ्स. चलिए.
So
Sir,
we will
15.
not ascending order.
हाँ जी बेटा.
So we will not arrange the marks in ascending order.
Yes, very important. I'm sorry. Very good.
Sir, 5.6.
Good point. I forgot it. You have to arrange the sequence in ascending order first, which I forgot to tell you. किसने
Okay,
बताया
sir.
बेटा ये? Who told this?
22.
Aditi. किसने मुझे याद दिलाया? ये किसने याद दिलाया? पहले बताओ.
Sir, I.
Aditi, very good. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So sir,
Question
arranging
9 मैं
में
करूँ?
करना
You
है
arrange
क्या?
it. Okay, I will do it for you. Question 9. Oh, it is not in ascending order.
Yes, sir. Answer is 22.
Yes, sir, I'm also getting 22.
So whenever you move an observation, you have to move its frequency also. जब आप observation को ascending order में arrange करेंगे, तो for example, अगर आप 17 को move करेंगे, तो 17 के साथ the frequency of 17 is 5. तो जहाँ पर भी 17 move होके जाएगा, उसकी frequency उसके साथ जाएगी. That means 17 अगर second position पे आ जाएगा, then the frequency of 17 is 5, वो भी second position पे आ जाएगी. Frequencies को आपको ascending order में arrange नहीं करना है, but frequency अपने observation के साथ move करेगी. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
चलो, that is why this question is
Sir, 22.
22. Right. Question number 9 मैं जल्दी से करके दिखाता हूँ आपको. Marks. Next slide. What is this number of students? Fi and Cf, cumulative frequency. Okay. So marks, देखिए, I'm directly writing the marks in ascending order. So the first one will be 15. What is the frequency of 15? 3. तो मैं 15 की frequency 3 है, मैं frequency change नहीं करूँगा. Are you getting my point or not? 15 and 3. Then the second one is 17 and 5. 17 frequency is 5. Then 15, 17 के बाद आ जाएगा 20. 20. The frequency is 9. मुझे बताते जाओ जल्दी से. Then 22 frequency is 4.
22 frequency is 4, and then sir 25 frequency is 6, and sir 30 frequency is 10.
बस यही है. Last.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So capital N अभी निकाल लेंगे. 3, 8, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 6, 27, 27 plus 10, 37. n is equal to 37 which is again odd. इवन के केस में क्या करेंगे आई विल टेल यू, सेम ही है, कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं है. इवन के केस में जो हमने बस सेकंड वाला मेथड यूज करेंगे, फॉर्मूला जो है आपका सेकंड केस वाला सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे इवन वाले केस में, अदरवाइज इट इज द सेम. 37 plus 1 is equal to 38, that means 19th observation. 19th observation, what is the value of 19th observation? 21. 21 के सामने है 22, so that is why the answer is 22.
22.
Clear or not, everyone? Next question.
Yes, sir.
Question
Yes,
number
sir.
10. Question 10. Number of students तो वही है same है. Height. Height xi. Number of students. Question number 10. Is it already in ascending order या हमें arrange करना पड़ेगा? 156
we
पे
have
भी
to-
नहीं है. Again हमको arrange करना पड़ेगा 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157 कर लेते हैं. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156 and 157. Okay. 6, 3, 12, 6, 3, 12. 151 की फ्रीक्वेंसी 6 है. ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली आप फ्रीक्वेंसी नोट डाउन करेंगे वेरी केयरफुली. 152 की फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 3, 153 द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 12, 154 4 हो गई, 155 की 10 हो गई, 4 and 10. 156 की फ्रीक्वेंसी is 8 and then finally the frequency 157 is 7. So these are the frequencies. Cumulative frequency बना लेते हैं. 6, 9, 9 plus 12, 21 plus 4, 35. Sorry, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 8, 43 plus 7, 50. N is equal to 50, so this means N is even. So N is equal to 50, which is even. Therefore, median will be, second case use करेंगे, median is equal to N by 2th observation plus N by 2 plus 1 observation. दिख रहा है ना जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ
Sir,
बोर्ड
the
पर?
observation can be equal.
अभी बात करते हैं बेटा, देखो हाँ हो सकता है इक्वल. N by 2, N by 2th observation, that means 50 upon 2, 2th observation plus 50 upon 2 plus 1th observation, that means 25th observation. and इन दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड भी करना है. अरे यार मैं लिखना भूल गया. डिवाइडेड बाय 2 हम करके 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो डायरेक्टली मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 25th and 26th observation, the sum divided by 2. 25th observation plus 26th observation divided by 2. अब बात करते हैं यहाँ पर very important thing, all of you, I want you all to pay attention. हाँ जी, सबका ध्यान यहाँ पर होना चाहिए. This is an important thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are seeing the first one is 25th observation. मुझे तो 25 यहाँ पर already दिख रहा है. 25 is there? दिख रहा है ना आपको? तो 25th ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए आपको उसके बड़े नंबर पे नहीं जाना है, बिकॉज 25 इज देयर इन द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसीज। आप उसके बड़े वाले नंबर पे नहीं जाएंगे। तो 25th
Okay, sir.
के लिए 154, द ऑब्जर्वेशन इज 154। 26th के लिए इज 26 देयर इन द टेबल?
No, sir.
नो। तो आप
No, sir.
26 के लिए उसके बड़े वाले नंबर पे जाएंगे। व्हाट इज द नंबर? 35। तो 35 के सामने क्या आया? These are the two, 25 and 35. 35 के सामने 155. So plus 155 divided by 2. Answer 154.5. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
I hope there is no confusion.
So now we will study mode.
Mode पढ़ेंगे. So all of you, please write down the heading mode after doing this. Obviously, if you have done this.
Sir, written the heading.
Sir, written.
Sir, written.
Mode. Write down the definition of mode.
So mode is the value of a variable which occurs most frequently.
लिखो बेटा, मैं लिखवा रहा हूँ. The observation that has the highest frequency is known as mode. The observation, note down in your copies. The observation that has the highest frequency, the observation that has the highest frequency is known as mode. Clear note? The observation that has the observation that has the highest frequency is known as mode. The observation that has the highest frequency is known as mode. Mode, M-O-D-E. पायल तो बहुत हंसी आ रही, क्या बात है बेटा? पायल,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, प्रिया से बात हो रही है? प्रिया से लड़ाई होती है तुम्हारी?
Yes, sir. सबसे ज्यादा तो उसी से.
अच्छा, सिस्टर्स भी आपस में लड़ती हैं? मैं सोचा था कि ब्रदर और सिस्टर ही लड़ते हैं केवल. मुझे लगता है सिस्टर बहुत अच्छी